Pain is a part of life for so many of us. Did you know that around 80% of adults in the US will experience back pain at some point? For many, today's common solutions, pain medications or surgery, don't always provide the relief they seek. Even more alarming is the opioid crisis sweeping through our country. Every 7 minutes, another life is lost to an overdose. Last year alone, over 81,000 Americans died due to opioid-related complications. No one is immune. It affects people from all walks of life. It's clear, we need a new approach to chronic pain management. A solution that's not just effective, but also safe, sustainable, and free from dependency on drugs or invasive surgeries. At Specialty Medical Center, we've answered that call. Our mission is to offer alternatives to opioid medications, which have caused an epidemic of addiction, shattered families, and devastated communities. By providing effective, minimally invasive, and holistic pain management options, we are breaking the cycle of addiction before it even begins.
Thanks to Specialty Medical Center, my pain is a thing of the past. I am so grateful. I truly am. I thank for everyone that has assisted in this process. Thank you.
Beyond simply avoiding opioids, we are restoring hope to people who have suffered for too long. Chronic pain can steal a person's joy and optimism, leaving them in despair. When we eliminate pain, we give people back their lives. We give them back the ability to experience happiness, connect with their loved ones, and engage fully in life once again.
I am very pleased to be here. They have taken such good care of me. I would recommend this to anybody in the future.
We've developed a groundbreaking approach to healing that focuses on alternatives, offering solutions that truly work without the need for invasive surgery or medications. Using cutting-edge technology and the latest medical advancements, we help our patients heal through non-invasive and non-pharmacological methods, including innovative procedures and therapies.
When we see a patient that's in that condition and we offer them modalities they have never experienced before or have heard of, and it ends up helping them complete activities of daily living, but not only that, enjoying their life, it is probably the most rewarding part of my career.
Our treatments, grounded in regenerative medicine, go beyond just masking pain.
When we're talking about regenerative, I had it done in my ankle, lower back, are 100% beautiful, no question asked.
We aim to uncover and address its root cause, offering real, lasting relief. Imagine a treatment like bone marrow and stem cell therapy. You come in for a procedure in the morning and return home by the afternoon. We also offer wave therapy, providing immediate pain relief. Patients often leave our clinic feeling better than when they arrive.
Everybody's nice and professional here, and they do good work. I came in here limping and walked out here, so I'm pretty happy with the treatment. It gets better and better.
At Specialty Medical Center, we believe in the incredible healing power of the human body. With the right care and support, your body has the potential to heal itself. Our goal is to empower you to live pain-free without relying on pills or invasive procedures. Our driving force is the well-being of our patients, especially those seeking alternatives to traditional solutions like surgery or drugs.
Specialty medical clinic, actually to me, is better than a hospital, to be honest.
What we do changes lives, and that inspires us to continue innovating for the health and happiness of every patient. By harnessing modern technology and medicine, we're not just healing our patients today, we're shaping a healthier future for generations to come. Join us in the fight against the opioid epidemic. Together we can save lives and protect the health of our communities. Specialty Medical Center, your alternative care for lasting results.